Hello, I'm Dr. Che and you are watching my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about distancing. Topic is distancing, and as you know, this is advanced English grammar course, and in this course there are more than 27 common and important grammar topics, and we are at topic distancing. Open playlist of my channel and watch complete course in order. Link is given below in the description box. Please look at the description box for updates and link to my Facebook groups. And like and comment to encourage me, share with other students to help them, and subscribe and press bell icon to get more videos on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. So what is distancing? You have heard about tenses and clauses and punctuation, but what is distancing in grammar? This is a language to show someone else's opinion or to separate yourself, to separate you, to separate yourself from the opinion, from others' opinion. It creates a distance between the subject and the situation. It creates a distance between the subject and the situation. I will explain you with examples. Mostly we would use this language in our formal essay writing or speaking. Sometimes it also helps in our reading to know whose opinion is stated in the text. It is very important topic. There are four common ways to show distancing. Number one is use of seem or appear to show distancing. Number two is passive voice, use of passive. Number third is use of may, might, apparent, according to show distancing. Number four is use word think or believe. Let us look at the first, use of seem or appear to show distancing. We can use these two verbs to give information without stating what is 100% true. We can use these two words, seem and appear, to give information without stating that it is 100% true. We can also distance ourselves from the opinion given with this expression. For example, the pandemic seems to be lasting. The pandemic seems to be losing its strength. Now, you can see when you look at this sentence, you can't see that this is my opinion. This is a general opinion. Okay, I am distancing myself from the opinion. The pandemic seems to be losing its strength, like a general statement. I am distancing myself from the opinion by using the word seems. The pandemic seems to be, if I am saying the pandemic is losing, so now it is 100% true. I am saying it is 100% true. But when I'm using seems, it is not 100% true. And I am also distancing myself from the opinion. The pandemic seems to be losing its strength. It appears that the president, the other example, it appears that the president was involved in the corruption. No, I am not saying myself that president was involved in corruption. I am not saying myself, and I am not saying that it is 100% true. So I am using the word appears. This word appears is telling me both of these things. It appears that the president was involved in the corruption. After seem or appear, we can use any tense. It appears it appears that it seems to be moving, seems to have lost, seems to have been waiting. uh, for example, Mr. Smith seems to have been waiting for his wife for 2 years, something like that. Mr. Smith seems to have lost his bag. Dr. Chase seems to be moving from one city to other. Okay, something like that you can. We can make our language more formal by adding would with seem or appear. It would seem or it would appear that Dr. Che was prescribing the latest drugs to his patients. It would seem or appear that it would appear that people don't worry about air pollution. Second use is for distancing is passive voice. We can use it plus passive verb plus that plus clause. It is said that, this is it, this is passive verb, is said, then that plus a clause. It is said that co-educational schools have more advantages than single sex schools. So I am using it is said that. This is not my opinion. I am saying that I am distancing myself from the opinion. I am saying this is not my opinion. This is other people's opinion. It is said that. It is believed that. If I say I believe that, then this is my opinion. If I say it is believed that, then this is not my opinion. It is believed that burning of fossil fuels is increasing air pollution in developed countries. So we are using it plus passive verb plus that plus clause to show distancing. This is good expression to show distance. This is also a good expression. It could be argued that burning of fossil fuels is one of the major contributors to air pollution. We can also use subject plus passive verb plus to plus infinitive to show distancing. Air pollution, subject, is expected, is passive verb, to plus infinitive. Air pollution is expected to reduce in the next few years. Burning of fossil fuels is said to be subject, is said passive verb, to be to plus infinitive, the major problem nowadays. Burning of fossil fuels is said to be the major problem nowadays. I am not saying that this is my opinion, so I am distancing myself. I am saying this is general opinion. This is not 100% true, and this is general opinion. May, might, apparently, and accordingly. We can use any of them to show distancing. We can use may, might, apparently, according to for distancing. Apparently, there is no relation. Apparently, there is no relation between cold weather and spread of COVID-19. Apparently, I am saying apparently, maybe there is a relation, but I am saying apparently, I am distancing myself, and I am saying this is possible. So I am using distancing with word apparently. Apparently, there is no relation between cold weather and spread of COVID-19. According to the new research, students learn better in single-sex schools than co-educational schools. According to the new research. According to the new research. So it is not my opinion. I am distancing according to the new research. Use of think or believe. We can use think or believe to show distancing also. An easy way to show distancing is to use think or believe. Some people think that, some people believe that burning of fossil fuels is the major contributor to the air pollution. We can also say some people are of the opinion that. This is also a good expression. Some people are of the opinion that burning of fossil fuels is contributing to the air pollution. So this is also one of the expressions. Instead of some people, we can also show who these people are. For example, supporters of modern technology believe that. Instead of saying some people believe that, we can say supporters of modern technology believe that the internet has revolutionized the way we communicate with each other. You can see, instead of only saying again and again, some people believe that, some people believe that, some people believe that, this will be repetitive, and this you will lose your marks. So vary your language. You can say supporters of modern technology, because we are talking about technology. So these are they are supporting the internet. So supporters of modern technology believe that, for example, we are talking about single sex schools are important. So we are advocates of single sex schools believe that girls learn better when they are taught in separate schools than co-educational schools. The next example, vitamin C is good for our skin. This is active sentence. This is direct opinion. Yeah, I'm saying that is 100% true. It is likely. It is something a strong opinion. Vitamin C is good for your skin. This is active and direct opinion. If I say it is thought that vitamin C is good for our skin, this is passive sentence. It is thought that, passive sentence, and it is a distancing of opinion. So I'm not saying this is direct opinion or 100% true. So I'm using distancing. It is thought that, passive, to show distancing. Or we can say vitamin C is thought to be good for our skin. This is also other way to show distancing. So look at the description box for updates and link to my links to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me, share with other students to help them, and subscribe to get more videos on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. Thank you very much.